Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is our first ever video on YouTube. So if you find any mistakes or if you want to give any suggestions, please comment below. We are from edification.contact and ours is a simple website, and our main intention is to provide free materials and unique articles to students and aspirants who are eager to learn more. For now, we are starting data science tutorials for free. You can see we already started introductory classes. So for now we are mainly focusing on Python only, data science with Python. But if you are more interested to learn with R, you need to wait, or you can mail us personally so that we will provide you whatever the materials we have so that you can learn from that. For now, this is the course structure. Firstly, we'll see some Python concepts, and after that we'll move on to machine learning with Python, and after that we'll dig bit deeper and we'll see deep learning with using Python. After completing all the Python series, we'll move on to descriptive statistics, which is very most important for any data science aspirant. We'll cover several different concepts in statistics. We'll see how we can calculate different concepts like regression and classification and all those, and we'll implement all those using Python code. After that, after completing each and every concept, we'll see what is the data science actual process, how a data scientist will face a business problem in his real life. We'll go through each and every concept. We'll see a step-by-step video on this with lots and lots of example projects. Okay, so for now, in this video we'll mainly focus on installation process. Okay, so let's go to google.com. First, let's install Python. It's loading too slow. Okay, here you can download Python for free. So here the version is 3.8.2, but all our tutorials will be based on 3.7 or 3.6. For this, if you want to install a specific version, you can go to all releases and you can download your specific version according to your OS, either it is Mac or Windows. After installation, you can download from here and you can run the setup. After installation, you can just simply run, and you can see install folders in your PC. Since I have already installed in my PC, I can say this. See, what I got is Python 3.6. So this one idle is a inbuilt Python integrated develop environment. So you can use this to test if the Python is working or not. So here it is. Just type any random function. I'll type this hello YouTube. Okay, it's working. So since we completed the installation of Python, let's do the installation of Anaconda as well. Anaconda is a distribution. It's a package manager tool for Python and R as well. From here you can download, and here also you need to select the specific version that is suitable. Here it is Python 3.7, which supports the Python 3.6 as well. If your PC is a 64-bit chip, you can select this one, or else 32-bit. After selecting this, I just have this PPT already to explain few things. It's running pretty slow. Okay, after installation, just run the setup file, and after that Anaconda, just open the Anaconda prompt, which will be here. For Windows users it will be here, yes. So just go to the Anaconda prompt, do double check if it is installed correctly or not. So let's just check. Simply type Python. Yes, it is showing 3.7.1. yes, the one which is installed in my PC is 3.6, but for Anaconda it is 3.7. Nothing differs. So let's type a simple function here. It's working. Okay, great. So since we completed the installation process, let's create a virtual environment. With this you can install all the packages at one place instead of installing globally. It is a good practice to install all the packages at one place. For this we can do like that: conda create -n, whatever the name you want to give, you can give. I give as data science env. Just simply enter. After creating this, you need to activate the environment to install all the packages in it. I'll just close this. Okay, let it go. Yes. Why am I interrupting is because I already have another environment created, so let me just activate that. I have with the name of data science. See, it changes from base to data science, so that whatever the pip installations you give, you can simply install in this environment rather than installing globally. Okay, we'll see this in our upcoming tutorials.